you own a home here in Jacksonville that's not listed on the market that you can't sell? If so, I'm interested in buying it. Do you own a home like this? Fixer-upper, land, nice house, mobile home, whatever it is, I'm interested in making an offer. As you know, the market's changing. Values are going down, interest rates are going up, and homes aren't selling as good on the market. If you sell to me, you don't have to make any repairs. I pay closing costs, and you can choose the date of your closing. Now, we'll ask for some equity in exchange for a quick and painless sale. What I mean by that is I can't pay retail. And what is retail in this market? Prices are dropping. Why choose me to buy your house? Well, I'm local. I know the market very well. I'm not in another state where I don't understand the values here in Jacksonville. I also have 5-star reviews on Better Business Bureau and Google. Check them out yourself. I'm just a small business, and I'm not gonna treat you like these other businesses like another number. I treat you with respect, and I make fair offers. Now, I also work with reputable title companies. I also have attorneys to handle the tricky closings, whether it be probate, a tax lien, or any other type of lien on the property. I can help, and that's at no cost to you. To qualify for me to work with you, there's 2 things. You need to be the owner of the home, and it cannot be listed on the market. If you own the home and it's not on the market, send your information, and before the market continues to go down, I'd be more than happy to hop on a phone call with you and go over the details to see what I can offer you. And if we're not a good fit, that's perfectly fine. There's no obligation. I'll even help you get to your goals. If there's something I can't help you with, I'm full of ideas to help you get to where you need to be. I look forward to talking to you, and I'll do whatever I can to earn this opportunity to buy your home.